What are you girls doing?
We're making little wrap-up yummy things out of plants.
These are better than candy. These are amazing. I can't believe you just came up with this. And what's your process? What are you doing here?
Okay, should I show you the whole process?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, these are rose petals.
Yes.
And rose petals are edible.
Yep. At least ours are.
What do you have here? You're taking stevia.
Not too much because it's very sweet.
Very sweet, all right.
Actually, that might be a little too much for the size of this petal. Okay. Now this can be a begonia one, which is the traditional. So these are begonia flowers. The whole plant of begonia is actually edible, but these are the juiciest for this. Let's put it down. This one is kind of smaller, so that's all we're gonna need. Then I pass it over to Liliana.
And what are you gonna do?
Wrap it up. Then I take a stick and wet it in. Ta-da!
Wow. Okay, this is lemon verbena.
So the lemon verbena, I think that's how you pronounce it, is really strong. So that's all I'm putting in.
And that's stevia underneath?
Yep, stevia
Okay.
underneath. And then Liliana. Then I take a stick and pop it in.
Okay.
Don't look at the footage.
Okay, so this is, what kind is this?
Begonia.
Begonia. I can't believe how good these are.
I know,
It's sweet.
I'm here for another one.
Yes, what
Begonia, I don't know how to explain that flavor.
kind?
It's kind of sour, yummy. And the rose has this nice, if people have tasted rose before, this nice mellowness. But it's its own flavor too. It's really unique. It's really delicious. What are you eating?
Whatever they gave me.
Begonia one.
Wow. This is awesome.
Five.
Pucker popper.
Those ones have extra begonia.
Oh wow.
It's named for its thing. Okay, I gotta run this one.
Really, who needs candy? That is super sweet. It's lemony. And then it has that soft rose beautifulness. That's delicious.
Thanks.